Hi. So how you doing? Don't mind the noise. The generator is on right now. But today I'm gonna make pancake. Yes, my own way. I don't know. I've made it before. It was nice. I want to make it again. This time I'm gonna show you how I make my pancake. So let's do this. Yeah. To make pancake, you need egg, you need sugar, you need flour, and you need milk. So that's it. Let's start.
Firstly, you have to mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients separately. It will make it easier for you when you're making the batter. By the way, if you are wondering, the dry ingredients is flour and sugar, and the wet ingredients is egg and milk. So you mix those separately. That's how you can have a very nice batter. Just throw the egg away. Come on. Oh god. Broke boy.
I don't know if I'm to put sugar with the milk, but yeah. Yeah, you see it. So you just a little bit of sugar. Yeah. Bruh. So just put a little bit of water and you mix. Butter shouldn't be too much. You should be able to mix every part together. If your bowl is wet, try drying it up, because if it is not dry, it will affect. Yeah, it won't be nice.
This is the moment you have to use your sense. You don't have to follow a rule. Just measure using your eyes. What do you think will be enough? And put it. So for me, I think 2 scoops will be okay. Yeah, and that's it. Because your ingredients will determine the amount of flour and everything you use. So yeah, think like human being. Like a human being.
Sweet things. So I add sugar. And you mix dry ingredients, wet ingredients. So yeah, the egg, you mix that here. Then you mix that with this. The egg and that. Drink the remaining, don't let it waste.
If you're wondering, this is how the mixture of the egg and the milk will look like. So you keep stirring till you're ready to move on. And now you just mix the flour and sugar very well, because yeah, why not? See how far we've come. Now you mix the egg and the milk and the flour and the sugar, everything all together, because this is where the magic happens. The batter is ready. So what we're going to do next is about mixing the batter all together to make it very nice. But I can't use my nails because yeah, it's dirty. Now you just have to mix with a spoon if you can, and you keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. Yeah.
Now feel free to add water.
And yes, you can just taste to check and see how it is.
Oil.
I recommend making the oil circulate around the pan so it will be easier to fry your pancake.
So this is the batter that you put inside. In the meantime, we'll just be rolling it and yeah. The butter isn't perfect, but yeah, let's just try it out. Let it simmer. So you keep doing that till you can get this texture. You get your plate, you bring it here. Yep. So you just So that's it. So do that for the rest. You honestly, pancake takes time to make sometimes, and I feel you should try to be smart when you're trying to make pancake. So this is one hack I used and really is helping me. imagine making two pancakes on one pan. Come on, give me an high five.
So this is where I'll tell you to enjoy your meal and make sure you share with your family and friends because bon appetiti. What I say? Bye bye. Thank you.